Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Samsung Odyssey G4 batch settings. Here you will see. These are the settings for Samsung Odyssey. This is the picture mode. Should be custom. Brightness should be 100. Contrast should be 75. Sharpness should be 60. Contrast enhancer 0. Color normal. Game mode 2. Here you will see. These are the all settings for your Samsung Odyssey. These are the general settings. Resolution 9020 into 1080, refresh rate 240 Hz, response time fastest. Brightness and contrast. Brightness 80 to 90, contrast 70 to 80, black equalizer 10 to 30. Color settings. Color mode custom for FRS/RTS, red, green, blue 50, gamma mode 2, i7 mode off, adaptive sync. Enable G-Sync slash FreeSync in GPU settings. Overdrive, standard general use. Faster slash extreme, gaming. In the last game mode on. Dynamic contrast off. So these are all the settings of your Samsung Odyssey. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.